Well, this is supposed to be the coldest time of the year, and yesterday was anything but that. And with that, we did break a record high yesterday in Fayetteville. The high yesterday was 74. The previous record of 72 set back in 2008, and usually the highs are in the upper 40s. And, well, yeah, we were a little bit above that. Other highs across the region. So Fayetteville was actually the warmest in the region. Low to mid 70s across much of the area. Benton County was just short there in the upper 60s, but still a very warm afternoon yesterday. And today is going to be another warm one yet again. It'll be about the same, but maybe a couple degrees cooler because we'll have more of a partly to mostly cloudy sky, especially during the afternoon. But what is going to help is that a south wind at about 5 to 15 is going to try to counteract that cloud cover. And if we see a little bit more sunshine than expected, we could come pretty close to those values yet again and could come close to records yet again. Tonight is going to be a very mild night. We'll have lows in the low to mid 50s because we'll have the south wind continuing and more cloud cover. There will be a few scattered showers late after midnight, but won't really amount to too much. But for tomorrow, we could see a little bit of a better chance of some showers and storms, some of which could be on the stronger side. So you see this level 1 risk for much of the region, but it does include all of the 5 News coverage area. Now with this, mostly the threat's going to be gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. The hail chance is low, and I think most of that will be off to the west in Oklahoma. The tornado chance is very low. There's just not a lot of energy to work with, and if we did see anything, it would be incredibly brief. So again, just to put kind of maybe fears aside, I think it would just be winds that we would see, and even that is a very low chance. So let's show you those rain chances here. Let's fast forward to tonight at 6 o'clock. Again, you can see just mostly cloudy skies for tonight. Then there comes that rain on our western edge, or off to our west, I should say. And that'll come through. And again, some scattered light to moderate showers. Nothing really too crazy. 7 a.m., that morning commute looks fine. But then about 10 a.m., you can see some cells starting to form off to our west. You can see these kind of little pockets there. That's indicating maybe some hail there. But by the time it gets here, it's a little bit more organized, and that indicates maybe more of winds as well as some heavy rain. That moves through, and you can see by 3, it's mostly gone. I put it through 5 just because that's when the sun's up, and that's still some energy to tap into. But then after that, a lot of that moves off to the east, and then we're quiet. There could be another chance of rain on Friday. We talked about this a little bit, how it could be on our southeastern edge. Those chances have trended up a little bit. So let's go to Thursday night here, midnight, into Friday morning. Friday of the morning looks dry, but during the afternoon, especially the farther south and east you live, so the River Valley a little bit more favored. Some scattered showers are possible. This would not be severe and really not be storms, just some scattered showers. Those will move through about 10 o'clock Friday. Unfortunately, in terms of rainfall in general, it still does look pretty light. We've actually trended lower, maybe up to a ½ inch of rainfall across the region. So we're hoping to get anything we can get just because we've been so dry over the past few days, or past really couple of months. As we go through the next couple of days, it'll be very warm. Friday's still pretty mild, but then strong winds move in on Saturday and the weekend. Yeah, it's going to be pretty chilly in the 40s. Does bounce back, though, early next week, but this weekend is going to be a chilly one, especially on Sunday with those highs in the 40s. So again, be mindful of the storms tomorrow, but again, the severe risk overall looks very low.